Where to find the best sites. General Family Health. Hello. You want more information about tricks to get rid of hiccups? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about tricks to get rid of hiccups is www.mastersinhealthcare.net. See the page titled 11 Ways to Get Rid of Hiccups Masters in Healthcare. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.naturalnews.com, especially the page 20 Tips and Tricks Rid Persistent Hiccups. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.huffingtonpost.com. The web page How to Get Rid of the Hiccups, Which Tricks Really? This is the link.